everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious chicken wrap recipe. Deep fried chicken strips. And how do I make chicken strips? These are super tasty, juicy and delicious. I posted a video on my channel, so please check it out. The other ingredients I'm going to use: salad, cheddar cheese, you can use any type of cheese, cilantro, red onion, sour cream, olives, tomatoes, salsa. Please add according to your taste, but this is the things I'm going to use. For our chicken wrap, I'm going to use these jumbo flour tortillas. Basically, these are half cooked and we're going to cook them. So let's go on our gas. So on a medium gas, do it like this, and it's within like a minute or so. These are fully cooked, as you can see. Once the griddle heats up, you do it like this, and as you can see, it's start to bubble up. These wraps are 50% they are cooked. You just need to warm it up, and once you see they are nicely changing color, and that's all you need. I'm going to keep continuing doing the same way. Once we are done with the flour tortillas, then we're going to make our chicken wrap. So as you've seen it, so these are cooked, and now the first thing will be, we're going to lay out a good amount of salad, then cheese. This is a good thing. When you make it at home, you can add as much as you like the chicken. You can add big pieces if you like, but I would prefer you cut into long thin slices like this. So you can add chicken as much as you want. This is perfect. And now we're going to add onion, tomatoes. I love olives. So if you haven't tried olives, please try it. We're going to add sour cream, cilantro, dhania, and salsa. So this is a big, huge, wow, it's a jumbo. I have my plate ready, and we're going to place it there. When I make my chicken wraps, they are like this, big, jumbo size. And now I'm going to show you one more. This one you fold it from the bottom, then you fold it from the right side, then from the left side. And look at this, super delicious and super yum. And this is your chicken wrap. And look at this, super delicious. Our tasty and delicious chicken wrap is all ready. Please try it, and I hope you like this recipe, and like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.